Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to rescue your Gmail password easily even if you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his especially device. Now we would like to have the rescue of this because he was not in a position to especially rescue his Gmail because of losing of his device. Now he doesn't have recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can rescue easily. So we will try to generate more alternative options to a rescue, and which one will be waited by we will pick, and we will quickly reset off this password of particular, and we will change the everything's phone number, recovery email, all the things. But by a common method, he has attempted also, I have attempted also. Here is a function that, oh, you did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is yours. So Google will ask for these informations to keep or info to keep your account secure. First is that you will have to answer his questions on. Second is that if your account is managed with any alternative email or family links, then try again. Google will contact you. There we will have to sector. We will not especially copy this ones because this is a long procedure. 48 hours it will take to confirm that either it is your account or not on the basis of endorsement and the proof, and then Google will give you clue to the reset or not. If it is your, then definitely you will have by these options. But we quit all option, guys. Visually, just firstly we will have to come on here and in a Play Store. In the Play Store we will have to come especially here in a search browser. Right here the browser, best browsers to here. Simply we will come on especially DuckDuckGo with AI browser. So it's a 22 especially 32 MB. So let's install. It's installing. On the other hand, of course, we will cut it from here. Thereupon, yes, we will come in a Google, and there we will hold this G browser. These 2-3 changes is very crucial. You will have to apply in each smartphones by any smartphone if you would like to the rescue. Firstly, we will have to come notification, make it block. So if it is enabled, then blocks. If it is disabled, then enable and disable it. Once again, free up the space and permission. That also we will have to yes, disable. Then we will come in a permission. We will have to navigate the location to precise location of. So we will come here. Here is a don't allow. So firstly you will have allow. So make it especially you will have a especially enable. So make it the precise location, disable, and upon click on here don't allow. So no longer function is intended of this. Then we will cut it from here. Similar status we will have to apply on a Chrome browser also, because Chrome browser is also product of especially and Google. So we will tap on app info. We will come the notification it's already blocked. So guys, I haven't recovering the multiple especially Gmail in a day, so that's why. So yes, it's already disabled, so it's blocked. Fines. Now this free of space is also disabled. We will here. Let me back. It's a little bit slow responding, guys. Just we will come the locations to its the precise locations that disable. So the make it especially don't allow. No. Firstly we will have to make it precise location off, and then we will go for here don't allow. So it was already done, but I decide to show you that yes, you will have no problems, and new active especially this feature changes will be. So now here what we will do is just to free up the space, and that also we will have to especially disable. We'll come to once again back on here and see it has been installed. So let's come on here now. Now what we will do, guys, here is a DuckDuckGo browser. So fine. Now we will wait here. Let it especially all the things do. We will have to accept the term and conditions. Yes, we will go for choose the browser. This thing is coming, so we don't have a choice. So just we will go for here. Click on a especially cancels these things. I don't want to especially include on here. Just we will go with the especially top of these things, and here we will have to write a Google. Just we will come to google.com, and when we tap on here we'll have the sign in options. Sign in option is here, so just to click on here. Now here simply we will have to put this particular ID. So let's see here the scam. Just we will come so pick to our next. Now see here quickly what will happens. It will ask you password. We will go for click on a forgot password. When we tap on a forgot password, what will happens? Here is a phone that is a locked to be the especially, or maybe here is a last password. We will try to generate especially always alternative options. Here is this is a verified number. Last one 54 it is. So just we will click on here. Don't click on tax on calls, otherwise of course you will be in a trap. It's verify your options. Now see here guys, more tips to the rescue of these accounts and answer as many questions as we can, or you can, or use a device where we have to sign in before, or you have to sign in before these things. We will quit all option alternative email etc. More tips to the rescue. Don't click on a try against by 3 option. If you would like to attempt it, then go for try against. So just we will cut it from hand. We will take a Google Assistant. So where it is, yes, we will come to Google service. So come in a setting to, of course you will have option Google service and the preferences. Let's see where it is. We will have to check it out here. This one's below the account and the back of these things. Now we will come on a special help option. Help options are there. We will have to select especially. See here is a coming a secure or compromise accounts, but you will have not. So how it is? Just we will have to write especially Google hacked Gmail or especially hacked Gmail recovery. These things you will have to write here. So when you will write, then what will happen guys here, these would be especially here options. Then we will go for here, pick these ones, this option. Now here we will have to come and review your account activities. Here is especially see these things. Now it's coming so that still you believe that someone is using, so then find out if your account has been hacked. Check out how many devices are logged with especially deciding how many devices are locked, so you can go for review. Right now I'm not going, so because procedure will be lengthy. Click on a find out if your account has been hacked. Here is the changes to the crucials to change. Now we will come here, confirm that two things, to create a replacement and the while getting locked out. So here what we will do guys, here is a especially recovery page. Just to tap on it guys. When we tap on it, then what will happen? We are directly on the recovery page. Here simply if we tap on here, the ID would be especially recommended to either click on the next and see here what's going to happen. This ID has been now see here recovered. What will happens? Without having the recovery email, phones, everything. Yes, we are back. So don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify your option. We don't have a phone number right now, so just we will click on here update password. Here we can create a new password. We can confirm so the password, go for save it. Then we will come in further Google account management and their security option. Firstly add an email. After adding email, this would be as a recovery. Then we can remove a phone number that was especially added, and we can add their new number also. Further we are not going guys, because maybe data privacy concern of my viewer. So this is all about yet, and if you will have any inquiry, then raise the query below the comment box. Plus would be managed to reply you everyone's guys. And if you are unable to execute these things, that you can see that you have to customize this kind of the things, and then you can recover off you have established this kind of the setup, then you can drop your email especially below the comment box. If you don't have any problem to disclose your email on a public domain on this channel, so then of course you can. And of course I will pick and I will make I will make sure that especially of course after rescue we will deliver to you your particular Gmail with password, recovery, everything. So guys, this is all about. Hard likes, don't forget leave the feedbacks below the comment box guys, because your feedback is very essential and inspirational for me to make it further informative tutorial or not on this channel. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, keep watching, bye bye.